Schisandra is an adaptogen and it may support cognition and liver health, improve physical performance and more. However, clinical research on this herb is scarce. The Schisandra is also known as Schisandra chinensis, and it comes from a vine native to China and parts of Russia. Its berry is used as a form of traditional Chinese medicine. Schisandra fruit is also known as the five-flavor berry because its taste captures the 5 major flavors: sour, sweet, salty, bitter, and spicy. This wholesome and exotic berry is categorized as an adaptogen, meaning that it helps to prevent physical and chemical stress to the body. When consumed, it accumulates in the heart, the brain, the kidneys, the lungs, and the liver. Schisandra is traditionally used as a performance enhancer and a treatment for various illnesses. The antioxidant in the fruit may be responsible for its health effects. Schisandra is traditionally used to treat liver disease, such as hepatitis, and to improve liver function. In 45 patients with impaired liver function, a combination of Schisandra extract and sesamin reduced liver enzymes, boosted glutathione, suppressed oxidative damage and inflammation, and improved fatty liver. Schisandra's antioxidants are mainly responsible for these effects. They help to maintain liver function while preventing damage. In Japanese herbal medicine, a mixture of herbal extracts called TJ-108 is used to treat hepatitis C. Schisandra extract seems to be the key ingredient in this mixture. In different animal studies, scientists have observed the potential of the Schisandra extract and Schisandrin B to improve non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and alcohol-induced liver damage. A single dose of a herbal preparation containing Schisandra improved attention, cognition, and accuracy in 40 healthy women who were under stress. Deoxyschisandrin and Schisandrin are components of the Schisandra extract, and these are what reversed the memory impairment in the different animal trials. They were able to prevent the degenerative changes in the brain that are seen in Alzheimer's disease and in brain aging. Supplements containing Schisandra extract are traditionally used to treat a cough and asthma. In 60 pneumonia patients, a product containing rhodiola, Schisandra, and Siberian ginseng reduced the duration of antibiotic treatment and improved the quality of life compared to standard treatment alone. Schisandra may increase nitric oxide levels in athletes, potentially improving their performance. In rats and mice, Schisandra improved exercise performance and endurance by helping the animals adapt to stress. Schisandra increased blood flow and nitric oxide availability in 2 smaller clinical trials, and this might protect the heart and the blood vessels in theory. Shengmei San is a supplement that contains Schisandra fruit extract and is used to treat heart disease in Chinese traditional medicine. In experiments on rat's heart, Schisandrin B was able to protect the heart tissue and prevent heart damage. Schisandra reduced corticosterone, which is the animal version of cortisol, the stress hormone in rats. In rats and mice, a small dose promoted calmness and relaxation, and it improved sleep quality. According to research on animals, Schisandra may help to control the changes in adrenaline and serotonin levels caused by stress, can combat adrenal fatigue linked to stress, and reduce anxiety. Historically, adaptogenic herbs like Schisandra have been used for stress management, primarily because this class of herbs demonstrates positive health effects on the adrenal system. The adrenal gland is responsible for the production of stress hormones and stress response mediators like cortisol. By squelching the excess production and the secretion of molecular chaperones, the cortisol, nitric oxide, and the Schisandra aid in stabilizing the levels of these stress-associated compounds in the blood. In turn, this keeps the negative effects of stress, like fatigue, mental fog, low energy, etc., at bay. Molecularly speaking, the body's energy currency is a molecule that's called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. In situations of stress, the increase in levels of nitric oxide correspond to decreased levels of ATP synthesis. Throw an adaptogen like Schisandra into the mix, and the stress response plummets, allowing the body instead to focus on things like ATP production. This has specifically been studied in brain cells, suggesting that Schisandra's health benefits may aid in fending off neurodegenerative diseases, supporting longevity, and promoting overall brain health. Studies in rats have suggested that Schisandra may even be effective at treating memory impairment. Schisandra improves focus, attention span, and even coordination, making it a compelling supplement for athletes, students, surgeons, artists, and the rest of us. By significantly downplaying the stress response, another important health benefit of Schisandra is that it helps to curb feelings of anxiousness and even improve mood. One study in mice demonstrated the effects of Schisandra extract on mediating the levels of powerful neurotransmitters, including noradrenaline, serotonin, and dopamine, all of which play a role in the brain, particularly in conditions of stress. Schisandra's positive effect on the brain have also implicated this powerful herb in the therapeutic prevention of a variety of psychological and neurological disorders, including depression and anxiety. As an added bonus, the calming effect of Schisandra on both the mind and the body can enhance sleep quality. In fact, in some cases, it's been used as a sleep aid for those who suffer from sleep disorders, so perhaps it's time to sit back and relax with some Schisandra. Adaptogens like Schisandra ward off the stress response, so the body's immune resources are instead able to contend with pathogens, fight infections, and keep us healthy. The Schisandra berry is loaded with antioxidants, which are the powerful plant-based phytochemicals that sequester dangerous oxidative compounds in the body, known as free radicals. Left to their own devices, these highly reactive free radicals adversely affect cellular DNA and integral proteins, and thereby they injure the body's cells and the tissues. When it comes to accelerated aging, cancer, and a variety of other common Western diseases, the buildup of free radicals is often the biggest culprit. When Schisandra comes to the rescue, however, the free radicals have fewer opportunities to accumulate in the tissues and to harm the body. As an antioxidant, one of the health benefits of Schisandra is that the bioactive component of the berry helps to protect against the cellular damage. Consequently, Schisandra is responsible for the plethora of health protective effects in the body, which can include enhancing liver function, protecting against cancer, and impeding the aging process. Since Schisandra hunts and destroys free radicals, it has the power to preferentially shield healthy cells from the DNA damage that accompanies carcinogenesis, aka the growth of cancer cells. One of the ways it does this is by upregulating the production of the glutathione, one of the body's most powerful intracellular antioxidants, and the activity of glutathione reductase, the enzyme responsible for activating glutathione. Additionally, Schisandra has been shown to improve the growth and the proliferation of new healthy cells. Coupled with its defense of the body's healthy normal cells, Schisandra has the ability to eradicate deleterious cancer cells by stimulating apoptosis, also known as the programmed cell death. By curtailing the buildup of detrimental free radicals, the Schisandra provides a health benefit by specifically protecting skin cells from DNA injury. In other words, Schisandra can act as a potent anti-aging agent by tackling wrinkles, sun-associated damage, and age-related pigmentation. Free radical accumulation in the body accelerates the aging across all systems. A healthy liver is necessary to help to rid the body of dangerous toxins, and to maintain the integrity of the liver is absolutely essential. With its antioxidant capabilities, Schisandra plays a show-stopping role when it comes to improving the liver health and function. Schisandra upregulates important enzymes that are involved in the detoxification of the liver. It helps the body to eliminate harmful waste, and it's been shown to protect against liver disease. Free radical sequestration plays a role in curbing the body's inflammatory response to certain environmental stressors. By helping to keep the inflammation at bay, Schisandra can work on many of the body's intricate and fundamentally interrelated systems. While a healthy amount of inflammation is essential for keeping pathogenic bacteria at bay, long-term excessive inflammatory response mediated by an overreactive immune system can wreak havoc on the body, and it can lead to a variety of disastrous health issues. Long-term inflammation has been associated with cancer, asthma, poor skin health, and a multitude of other undesirable diseases and conditions. Schisandra has the ability to downregulate the production of inflammatory mediators, i.e. the cytokines, thereby combating the detrimental impact that these inflammatory processes will otherwise have on the body. Schisandra has been shown to keep the release of leukocytes, which are pro-inflammatory immune cells, in check, which in turn thwarts carcinogenesis. Additionally, special compounds called lignans have been isolated from the Schisandra berry. Evidence exists in the literature suggesting that these unique compounds demonstrate suppressive effects on cancer cells in humans. Schisandra's innate ability to fight inflammation potentially translates to a wide range of positive health benefits when it comes to skin health. The powerful herb's anti-inflammatory effects help the body to hinder the inflammatory processes, such as those that are involved in the development of dermatitis and a variety of other inflammatory skin conditions. Inflammation is also to blame when it comes to allergic reactions, environmental stresses, and responses to toxins, all of which can negatively result in skin manifestations. Think redness and swelling, etc. Some studies have also suggested the role that Schisandra extract can play in calming asthma via antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Schisandra suppresses the levels of inflammatory compounds, i.e. the interleukins and the interferons that are implicated in the pathogenesis of asthma. Additionally, the herb works as a natural expectorant, which means that it helps to pull mucus out of the lungs. For more information about other herbs or other diseases, check out my website.